What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm right here where I left off, and you will not believe some of the deals that we have in Dollar Tree this week. These go for almost $7 each in Walmart. Yes, you guys, this is the Colgate Renewal. Now, this is the green variety. I'm just going to call it the green variety because we actually have 3 different varieties that are going to be offered. I don't know if we're going to get them all in Dollar Tree, but again, these go for almost $7 each. This is the clear mint gel, 3 ounces. This one says renewal, and it says revitalizes gums by reversing early damage. So if you're having some gum recession, give it a try. I mean, it's worth a try, you guys. It says here, targets and repairs early gum issues, strengthens weakened enamel, and gently whitens teeth. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, and of course it's sugar-free. I mean, that's kind of important, right? My toothpaste, it better be sugar-free. I mean, otherwise, why am I even brushing, right? You guys, we have a brand new niacinamide concentrated facial serum. This is once again from the brand that keeps popping up, Be Pure. These are the niacinamide little pods or beads. You just have to get your scissors and cut the little pod open. It says easily applies to your skin, helps dark spots appear less noticeable, and aids to moisturize skin. I mean, every week I feel like I'm finding brand new items from Be Pure, and the niacinamide is that really popular ingredient right now that we're seeing everywhere. We're seeing in a lot of the serums. Okay, you guys, I have a super quick unboxing. This is gonna be from Tyke1 or Tick1.ru. You guys, I've received bags from them before, and they're absolutely beautiful. I'm going to show you guys their website really quick. This is the Louis Vuitton Coussin. This is what I'm going to be unboxing today, and it is absolutely stunning. You guys definitely check out their website. They have other varieties of this exact same bag. I'm kind of eyeing that pink. They also have Chanel, Gucci, Dior, Prada, YSL. I like that they have other brands too, like Hermes, Valentino. Get ready, because here we go. Get ready to see the prettiest little black bag I have seen in a long time. Just instantly, you guys, while taking it out of the dust bag, I was like, this feels so well done, so smooth. The quality is right there. Like, I'm in love with the stamped sort of embossed texture. It is just so very pretty. And of course, the pink lining. You guys know how I feel about pink. It's sort of like a suede material, but I'm just so obsessed with the way this looks and feels. It is just so nice. It has a nice shine, a nice smooth zipper. Yeah, you guys, I'm in love. I mean, it's just one of those bags that you just look at and you're like, that is one pretty bag. And then I love the strap options as well. They're just so sturdy and well done. The cloth strap and the golden strap, but I just can't stop touching this bag. Do you ever have a person you're like, I just love this bag. I like to touch it. It's smooth. It's very satisfying. It's aesthetic. And the way this chain sounds, can you guys hear the quality? I had to save the audio, the original audio from the lifting of the chain, because it's just pure quality. And the last thing I'm going to do is just show you guys how I attach this gorgeous golden chain. What I really like about it, it has like a twist around toggle, so you're not like fighting with it to go in one direction, if that makes any sense. The little loop, you can twist it around. It totally swivels, and it just makes it super easy to put on. But you guys, this is the bag, and I love it. It's super beautiful. This is a vitamin C 1% from Skin Nutrition. We can also find these on Amazon for about $8. We have even more new dental items over here, you guys. Let me park my cart and show you guys. We also have the full size maximum cavity protection in mild bubble fruit. Yes, you guys, this is from Colgate, 4.4 ounces. If you love mild bubble fruit, if your kids or your neighbors, your grandkids, your kids' friends, whoever may benefit from this, you guys, this is a nice big bottle, and it has an easy spout, much different than some of the other ones. They actually look like they would be easy for kids. And then we have the 4-in-1 that's brand new. At least the packaging is new. We have a variety of kids toothpaste. We have tartar protection, cavity protection, of course the white strips that popped up last week. We have the optic white. This is in 2.5 ounces. I mean, wow, I just cannot believe that these are here. That is such a great deal. I went ahead and kind of rummaged through some of these, and my store just has the green variety. And here is the expiration date, March of 2023. So you have plenty of time to use those. And then of course we have lots and lots more down below. We have Colgate Triple Action, we have Max Fresh Knockout, we even have the Breath Strips toothpaste, Aqua Fresh, baking soda and peroxide. There are so many options here. Close Up, Aim, Ultra Bright. I mean, you really don't need to go anywhere else. Like, Dollar Tree has everything you need here as far as toothpaste is concerned. Okay, you guys, I'm super excited about the toothpaste though. I really want to try that new variety, and I have 3 in my cart right now. This is a brand new color of Jade Roller from My Beauty Spot, the Be Pure Gua Sha Massagers. I got my little Be Pure facial massager, the little mini Jade Roller. If you guys watched my live Dollar Tree haul, I just tested it during the live, but I haven't used it on my face yet. But one thing that I really liked was that it has a metal portion wrapped around the end of the little stick. That is really cool. So even though the jade may warm up just a little bit, the actual metal piece at the end of the stick stays super cold. Oh, these are back, the mini tweezers. And these are just amazing, you guys. Metallic polishes. This is such a great little brand. Like, I'm so obsessed with buying nail polish. Look at this metallic one. This one looks super pretty. I like that. And then we have a nice metallic. I think all 3 of these are metallic. And then we have a metallic purple in this one. Ooh, this is a pretty orange in this one. Like a pretty coral. And I love this blue by New Color. Oh, these are gel polishes. This one even has some glitter in it. New Color gel polishes. Gray, pink, sort of a cream, and then we have the Kiss polishes as well. The Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes, you get 25. That's probably it for all the new items except for this. They slightly changed the design. Now this used to have a metal handle, and now it has a plastic handle. This is the little facial hair remover. That has a new design. And then this one is just so pretty. The pink Gua Sha. Love that. It feels so sturdy and nice, and I love that it looks like a heart. Okay. Let's see if we have anything else new over here. These are still here. The double threaded floss picks. Super fancy. 40 in a bag. Now I saw these in Jerry's store, and I don't think I shared them with you guys, but these are pediatric stethoscopes. It's a single patient stethoscope, and it has this part in metal, and they're all double wrapped. Definitely interesting. You never know what you're gonna see in Dollar Tree. Ooh, these look really nice. The Kleenex Ultra Soft 10-pack. Nice. I feel like we don't usually see these in Kleenex. Usually it's like some other little brand and we don't get that many. So 10 in a pack, that's a really nice deal. Lots of travel bottles if you're traveling this summer. And do they all pass the flying requirements? I'm not sure. Travel bottles, we have a spray and then we have 2 regular dispenser bottles. This one is a 2-pack. Melatonin Dippin' Dots flavor, and you get 10 gummies in a pack. 100% drug-free sleep support. We also have children's multivitamin, and this is also by Dippin' Dots. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have even more over here. We have vitamin C Dippin' Dots. This is orange cream. These are the Very Berry Elderberry Immune Defense, again, all by Elderberry. We have more melatonin, 14 in a bag. Hair, skin, and nails, 12 in a bag. 14 in a bag of the vitamin D3. Anything else? Am I missing any? That's exciting to see so many new items over here. I want to try these Dippin' Dot vitamins. Those sound pretty good. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried them. And has anyone tried these Mentos strawberry bath bombs? Ooh, that's a nice luggage tag. Very timeless. Glitter bombs. 2 in a bag. Well, you guys, the video's getting kind of long, so I'm gonna start the very next one down the hair aisle and see what else I can share with you guys that's brand new. I'm gonna start on the hair accessories and then probably go down the main like shampoo and hygiene aisle. But yeah, you guys, definitely run into your Dollar Tree once a week and see what's new, because they are busy putting out a lot of new items, summer items, a lot of new items down the hygiene aisle. And look, you guys, I'm already finding new headbands. So you guys join me in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys all so much. If you're brand new to the channel, join the family, hit that little button and subscribe, and come back tomorrow because I'll be sharing even more. But all right, you guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.